Hey guys, quick update here on my mom's 2018 Jeep Rubicon JL. Update on the Milestar tires, how they've been performing, how I've been using them on a day-to-day basis. We currently have a little over 3,000 miles on this set. They've been used for commuting back and forth to town, about 20 to 30 minutes into town and back every day. Also county roads, running backcountry dirt roads, and also a good day of wheeling as well. Lots of rock and sharp flint, and the tires have been holding up very well. We have a close-up on the tread. You can see there's no chinking, no uneven wear. The sound, the tire noise on the street has not gotten any worse, or not gotten any louder I should say, because they've started being just as quiet as the stock tires when we first put them on here. That was quite a surprise. Kind of expecting them to get noisier as the wear gets farther and farther down, but so far they seem to be doing great. No increase in noise, the tread's wearing evenly, there is no chunking, no cutting in the tread. The tires conformed incredibly well, as I'm sure you've seen in other videos. The carcass is really pliable. The rubber compound is really sticky, better than any other tire that we've run so far, comparing them to the KM2 Mud Terrain, the Pro Comp Extreme MT2 tires I have on my Green Beast over there, the BF Goodrich All-Terrains, some old Parnelli dirt grips I remember back in the day, and some Super Swamper different variants and Goodyear MTRs. None have conformed so well and gripped as well, at least where we wheel out at Barnwell in Gilmer, as these tires. Aired down to around 10 to 12 PSI without bead locks. They were plenty soft for our needs, and they gripped everything that we threw at them. The wet weather traction is extremely good. The braking, the channeling of the water, there's plenty of places for the water to go. Excellent deep siping in the tread, which we've appreciated and really noticed in comparison with other tires we've run. Very impressive. Looking forward to potentially getting another set for a new project we have, and continue testing them out. And as time goes on and we get more mileage on the Jeep, we'll continue to update and see how they wear and how the noise is in the ride. And we have not had these rebalanced either, and have not rotated them yet at 3,000 more miles. We'll probably rotate them every 3,500 just to make sure we get the most out of the tires, but we'll see how it goes from there. Thanks, hope y'all have a great day. See ya.